To form good or bad opinion about people. People are of two types, those who always think bad of others, and those who try and think the best about others. Husnhan means to have a good opinion about other people, not to assume the worst about them, not to suspect their actions. If you see a Muslim talking with a girl who is namahram, and you then assume that he has loose morals and is probably dating, then you have already dented his reputation in your eyes. If you tell others your opinion, you have committed fitna and fasad. You should give the benefit of the doubt. Even if such suspicions turn out to be true, who are you to spread other people's faults when Allah has covered yours? If a person assumes the worst of people's actions, then this is su'udan and is a very bad habit. It leads to fitna and fasad, slander, and other terrible deeds. If, for example, a person stands up and gives a few $1,000s to a charity, one can think in two ways. Either one can think that this person has pride, is just showing off all his money, or one can think that this person is sincere and is setting an example for others to follow. Who are we to assume the first opinion? Allah is the only judge, as He sees everything and is aware of everything. We have no right to judge other people, whether they are Muslims or not. Quran explains to us that we should avoid suspicion of others, and can be a sin if it results in the spreading of rumors. Avoid suspicion as much as possible, for suspicion in some cases is a sin. Allah will show His anger at those who accuse others falsely. In the time of Prophet Saleh, peace be on him, he was accused falsely, and he asked Allah for help. In conclusion, always give someone else the benefit of the doubt. Even if you know for sure that they have done something wrong, do not tell others. If Allah can keep our secrets, we should also try and keep the secrets of others. If you really want to do something, try and approach the person and persuade them that they are doing wrong. If you think that will fail, then talk to someone whom you think will be able to help. This is the concept of Amr bil Ma'aruf and Nahi Anil Munkar, direct towards good and persuade against evil. Imam Zainul Abidin, peace be on him, said, "You should think more of a person younger than you, as he has had less time to do bad deeds. You should think more of a person older than you, as he has had more time to do good deeds. You should think more of a person the same age as you, because you do not know what he has done, but you know exactly what good and bad you have done."